Hi guys. I was making myself a cup of tea, and I know that I need to clean my kettle again. I'm not sure how well you can see it, but yeah, the lime scale on this puppy is getting pretty bad. But the thing that surprised me that I wasn't really paying attention to, because generally the kettle sits like this with the handle over here, so I don't see the other side of the spout. Oh dear. Oh dear. So, limescale buildup, and I've noticed the little holes inside are clogging up. So I'm going to have to do this whole puppy, and it really needs it. Come on. Ha. Alright, I'll take that off in a minute. And I'm going to use my white vinegar. So let me set the camera down real quick, and we'll fill this thing up so that it covers the lime scale, and clean that, and then we're going to get this holy hell crap taken care of. Alright. Alright, that's now filled up with white vinegar. One thing I noticed too, I don't know if you can see it, when I poured out the water, the little flakes of limescale gets caught on this little ridge, and it can't get out. So it builds up and builds up. You can also see how the little holes are starting to fill in from the inside. So yeah, okay. Let's clean this puppy. I've always wondered if it would still work without being heated, but I know it works when it is being heated, and it's quick, so that's just the way I do it. Put the lid on it this time. It used to have a little basket on that that little pole thing where you put your loose tea in, but we never use loose tea, so we just took it off. I wanted to see if it boiled as hard with the lid on as it did when the last time I did it, when I had the lid off. Yeah, it still boils really hard. Oh, that's so clear though. Probably can't tell on the camera, but yeah, that vinegar is clear. And I see, because I'm not filling it all the way to the top. There's a little ridge of limescale along the edges. Okay, now let's take care of this gross stuff. And I've got myself a little bowl. I have no idea how long this will take. Let's find out. You know what? I'm going to take this lid off again. Hold on. Oh! Can you see that? Yeah, a little bit's rolling around down there. Okay. I can see it bubbling. Look at it bubble. Look, look, look. Ooh, that's so cool. Gotta love science. Oh, can't hear. Wonder how long it'll take. That was a pretty big solid lump of limescale. And it looks like there's still a couple of the holes maybe still plugged up. You can see that they're not dark like the other ones, so it looks like 3 or 4. Although that could just be the reflection. And how are you doing? Getting there. Look at that, I can set my camera down and get some tea before it goes cold. Although, thinking about this tea with all that limescale is a little gross. The other side is clean. This had a bit too. And that side is clean. So I'm gonna agitate it. Yeah, I had 2 of them drop off. they're all clear now. Okay, all the holes are clear. How's this doing? That still bad. Okay, well, you know, it was a solid lump. So, that is not surprising. It is still fuzzing. Okay, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna come back in like 10 minutes and see how it's doing. Back in a minute. Alright, 10 minutes later, and it's still there. Oh, but it's much better. Much better. You know what? That's just scraping off. So, I don't know if I can do this with only one hand. This is just like really lightly, because if I put any pressure on it, it just moves. And if anybody has ever had Limescale, they know it's rock hard. It's not coming off easy. Alright, so hold on a second. I'm gonna put some pressure on this, and I'll be right back. Alright. It's not brand spanking new, and I'm starting to think the bits that are left are not Limescale. Might be rust, because let's face it, this kettle was not really expensive. Alright, but there we go. A lot better than it was. Yeah, there we go. So, white vinegar wins again. But if this gets any worse, I'm gonna have to get me a new kettle. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.